The 5S methodology is a systematic approach to workplace organization and improvement that originated in Japan and is widely used across industries to enhance efficiency, productivity, and safety. Each S in 5S represents a specific principle that guides the process of transforming a workspace into an organized, clean, and well-maintained environment. Let's delve into each of these principles. Sort. Seiri. This is the foundation of 5S. It involves sorting through items in the workspace and identifying what is necessary and what is not. Unneeded items are removed, creating a clutter-free environment. By reducing excess, you streamline the workspace and make it easier to find tools, materials, and equipment. Set in order. Seiton. After sorting, the next step is to set items in a logical and organized manner. Every item should have a designated place, and this principle focuses on arranging items for easy access. This helps minimize wasted time searching for tools and materials and ensures that everything is at hand when needed. Shine. Seiso. Keeping the workspace clean and well-maintained is the essence of the shine principle. Regular cleaning not only creates a visually appealing environment but also contributes to safety by eliminating potential hazards, preventing dust buildup, and maintaining machinery and equipment. Standardize. Seiketsu. The Standardize principle focuses on establishing consistent practices and procedures. This includes creating visual standards, documentation, and guidelines for organizing, cleaning, and maintaining the workspace. Standardization ensures that everyone follows the same efficient practices, reducing variations and improving overall productivity. Sustain. Shitsuke. The final principle, sustain, emphasizes the need to maintain and continuously improve the previous 4 principles. It's about creating a culture of ongoing improvement and accountability. Regular audits, training, and constant reinforcement help ensure that the organized and efficient state of the workspace is preserved over time. The 5S methodology doesn't stop at just creating an organized workspace. It fosters a mindset of continuous improvement and responsibility among employees. It enhances employee morale, reduces errors, boosts productivity, and contributes to a safer and more efficient work environment. Whether applied to manufacturing, office spaces, healthcare, or any other industry, the 5S principles provide a powerful foundation for excellence.